bouncing. Azure blue like the sky. Run, run, run after it. Catch it. Come on, come on. Jump, 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 saying hop. Overcome the obstacles your little hands reach. Ouch it, my friend. Look right, look left. Where does the ball roll? Follow carefully, the game is starting now. We ran and jumped up together, the blue ball in our hands. What a beautiful game this is. Happiness within.